I mean, within 3 days of my marriage, she said that she is not ready to live as a wife, and she didn't allow the marriage to be consummated. Then all the bookings which I made and we made were cancelled, and now she has gone to her own, and we filed. It is a mutual consent. She agrees to it. So it's not possible. Every day I'm humiliated before my parents that wife is there and she's not allowing marriage to be consummated. Something happens, and there are judgments to that effect, Your Honor. That ground has been taken as an exceptional hardship. So at least
we have started reducing cooling period, and now you want that even 1 year period we also relax. So
section itself.
It's not an intention of a Hindu Marriage Act for giving divorce.
Correct, Your Honor. If it is a case that both the parties are
nowadays, these young couples have no patience. They have lost their patience. They don't want to wait for 6 months. They don't want to wait for 1 year even. And marriage is so.
My lords, what can be done?
Troublesome for them.
Happens, kindly appreciate.
No. At least 1 year you can change your mind. You can change your. That's why the cooling period is given.
No. That has been to be directory. It's not mandatory. Cooling period is there. So that is there. My
intention is.
I'll cite my lord.
But this you are facing humiliation. That can't be a ground. Everybody can file a petition. आज marriage हुई कल application लगा दी divorce कराओ.
2 दिन में दिया.
In Hindu culture this is not permissible. होगा but under 142.
नहीं हाई कोर्ट का है. केरल हाई कोर्ट आप देखिए ना. और सेक्शन 14 कहती है ना.
In every case facts are different.
No. I've just seen.
केरला हाई कोर्ट.
एक और भी है दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट है.
होगा उसमें circumstances होंगे. We can also examine the
same circumstances, Your Honor. Rajasthan High Court है and it is by a judge who has been our own Chief Justice.
Makes no difference.
Have you seen a critical case of a young person who is in ICU and everyone has left hope that he won't survive? But miracles do happen. That is why
Baba, problem is, Your Honor, this that if some miracle happens and she lodges a complaint against 498, it will take a lifetime for my parents to come out of it. If that miracle happens,
not
who's going to be responsible? Secondly, my lords, my second ground is this, that kindly appreciate my application was under section 10 also. That if you are not willing to give divorce, at least give judicial separation. That cannot be dismissed. Because there is no limitation for section 10. So at least give me some. I'll wait for 1 year. But at least some protection should be required today.
You are so apprehensive and scary.
My lord, it's better to be on the side of caution rather than to. I didn't marry.
कुछ ज़्यादा कानून पढ़ लिया, ज़्यादा advice ले ली.
नहीं सर, ज़्यादा advice की बात नहीं. बात ये है, हमने बहुत और frankly speaking, Your Honor, I tried my level best to bring reconciliation between both the parties. But in my office, I tried everything possible. Every counseling I gave to both of them. But when they were not ready, my lord, nobody gets married to get divorced on the second day of marriage, Your Honor. Just see the chronology of the event. It has even not lasted for a day.
Decision to go for marriage, it's not an overnight decision. They meet and decide and family meet and then they decide. That is not an overnight decision which you can recall within 2 days or 3 days. This is not our culture and system, Mr.
Sorry, it is.
They are not inclined.
Then, my lord,
wait
kindly adjourn it.
No. Why adjourn after argument?
Or at least refer them.
No. In my court, don't expect that you will try and
refer them to mediation. At least refer them to mediation.
That family court is competent to do that.